These are the ClosetMaid 4-cube shelf storage in the weathered wood. They're 13 by 30 by 30. The weight of them is 33.8 pounds. When you get them, they do require assembly. You'll get the Allen wrench, screws, screw caps, and along with tiny nails and the cube backing. Why do I like these? The fit and the appearance of the shelf. They help organize and provide good storage. I've used for years and I have yet to have any of them fall over or had to get rid of them because they actually fell apart. These I've actually had for years. We use them for books, toys, in the office, and in the playrooms. The canvas totes that are 12 by 12 fit into them nicely and allow you to change up the look as you want. We also use the wood bins to organize toys inside of them. They have a really nice quality texture, weathered look, so they look really, really well made, and they last. Here are a few ways that we've used them in the past.